Okay, so I'm very excited because I got a package yesterday and look what Popflex sent me. I'm so excited. Stop, this is so cute. What the heck? Wait, is there a sticker? There's a sticker. Oh my god. Look at how cute that is. Accidentally matching with your bestie is top tier friendship. Anyway, sending you my favorite comfy fit. Let me know what you think. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm so excited. I know I've already showed the box, but look at how cute this is. I don't want to break anything. Shut up. Shut up. This is the skirt. If you guys watched my like Christmas video, I made this like before I knew this was in my favorite color. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, there's like a matching. Oh my god, there's so much. You're in my video. Oh, and I got a matching top for it. Oh my god. Okay, so oh my god, this video is going on for so long. I have to cut this into parts. Look at, oh my god, I got a matching my favorite color. Oh my god, I'm wearing this to the rink later. Oh my god. And then there's a sweatshirt. I can't tell if there's anything. I think there might be something else in the box. I don't know. This is so cute. Oh my god. And then I got a sweatshirt in the same pink because obviously I love pink. This is so cute. Okay, I thought this was part of the package, but I have one last box to open. So I finally got the box open. I cut the video because I thought I probably didn't need to show you the, oh my god. Is it gonna be pink? Oh, it's white, but it, stop. They sent me, because I have, okay, so if you guys know, my Stanley was stolen. Oh my god, this is so cool. Thank you so much, Popflex, for sending me this. I am gonna go wear this to open skate today, so there'll be lots of videos, and obviously, I love pink, so this is like, I'm gonna be head to toe in my favorite color, but look at this is like the sweetest note. Anyways, thank you, Popflex, so much. I will be wearing these to the rink later. Okay, so this is the outfit that Popflex sent me, and I will insert, I'll be wearing this all the time, but I will insert some videos. So one, this is very comfy, I really like this. And then this is